Hi, this is how to join a Google Meet within our Google Classroom. So if you're registered and into a class, you should see all your classes here. But to join a Google Class meeting, I'm going to click on the class, and there's several ways you can go. But this link right here, Meet link, that's the one we use for all the live class sessions. I click on that, and I'm ready to join the meeting. You just have to click join now, and if you're able to, I would love to have your video going and see your smiling face every day. If you happen to be in a different spot, like if you're under classwork instead in Google Classroom, there's also this Meet icon, which brings you to the same spot. Hope that helps. If you need any help, give me a shout.